Ace, we are gonna make a YouTube symbol. Let's go. Hey guys, first video ever full made. Get your ruler. Let's see, maybe we should make it about here. This is how big it's gonna be. We're gonna cut this off with a squirrel saw, okay? Now, what we have to do, guys, is make the YouTube symbol. Let's see, I'll get back and just make the YouTube symbol. I'm back. I made a round circle. Now, we're gonna have to make the two-part in the middle. Guys, now we're done, the two-part in the middle. We're trying to make a line through it, or you won't even see the two-part when you try cutting it out. Now, we'll see you guys at the squirrel saw. Please wear eye protection so what doesn't hit your eye. Let's do this. All right, guys. You just gotta hit that line and do this. All right, guys. I'm done this part. This is what some of it's gonna look like. Just gotta cut this out. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we cut one edge off. I'll cut the other one and see you guys after this. Like that. I'll do the other side and then do the two-part. Let's do this. For the corners, I'm gonna have to cut this little tip off to make it smoother and then use sandpaper to sand it. You could use a roller, but I'm gonna use this because rollers are a little dangerous. So let's just do it. So what you wanna do, you gotta kind of curve it. So you have to kind of get a little chip off and then keep on getting more and more. And then after when the squirrel saw does its job, you get the sandpaper to do its job. Now that I smoothed it out like that, I grab the sandpaper and just sand it, so then it's really smooth. This is getting smoother. Then after when you're done that, you just do three other sides. All right, looking good. And tip, you can put your finger inside the sandpaper like this. Curve it up like this, grab with your thumb like this, and then this is a pro tip, how to sand. Well, just gotta do 3 more. Then I'll see you guys in the next part. So this doesn't wiggle more. Slowly take this off. Or when it's stuck like this, guys, try finding a wrench like this and then turning this off then put it at the bottom so the thing doesn't fall. Always keep it saw blade angle. Take it off like that. Hold onto the bottom like this. From back here you can see. And then put it on like this. Put the saw right in the middle of it. And don't let it move. And then get the wrench. And then tighten it. Now it's in. And we got it out. This looks so cool. All we have to do is paint it. Okay, guys, we're back. Going to paint this YouTube symbol. Okay. Just gotta paint the first layer. Then after, we're gonna have like these little stars on it. It's gonna look really cool at the end. Wait till the end. The ending will shock you, for sure. Gotta get it really good. This is gonna look so cool. And if you didn't know, I'm gonna give it layer in the back. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna do the side of the YouTube symbol. We're gonna have to be a little careful, and we're not gonna put it on the edge, because then it won't be a big, it'll be... Hey guys, now we're gonna get a little tiny brush. How good it ends. In the next video, I post mostly every Sunday, because those are the days that I do woodworking. Let's just say Thursdays sometimes, and I'll keep you guys updated. Never stop working hard with wood. Bye.